I've been wide awake, feeling. People seem to change their feelings in time. We make a mistake, healing. It's more than I can take, not feeling too fine. Something about you, you. Thought that I could put these feelings aside, but something in my system's faded, making me feel sober, but what's on my mind?